Morning world! Always say that. Someone on Facebook. Morning neighbors. You know, always say I hold the camera too close to my face. So I'm trying to extend it this time. We are leaving Kingston, Plantation Heights to... No, we don't move. Whatever, we win the lotto. We just drop off Hannah at her friend's house. So we're going to head down now to go to somewhere to get some... We need to change the channel to a plants channel or something because we're going to get some plants. We saw this nice poster that Althea sent us and we're like, hey, we need to head there. I've been jackfruit tree seedlings, the little plant ones.
The forestry department of Jamaica
is
giving away fruit and ornamental tree seedlings today.
Right, so we're heading to Barbican now.
We were sent the flyer by a friend of mine called Althea. The people there must be wondering, who is Althea? Who happens to be a neighbor also.
This is why I need a wife. So we're going to head there to get the trees. Well, it's seedlings, so it's not like there's any risk of us not being able to start it. It already started.
The question is the sustaining.
Can we continue it? Then we'll see. But they have jackfruit, soursop,
apple, which I definitely want.
Ava would walk there if she knew apple tree was there because she desperately loves apple. So we're going to try to see if we can get as many as we can. The nice ones that I would like for the property.
Yes, and also I would love to find a tree to replace the tamarind tree with.
So we're going to go there and see what else we can add to the property. They have poetry as well. Gina wanted the poetry for
poetry, poor man's orchid, Barbados.
So those are nice. So one step at a time, reach the place and we'll see what happens next.
Yeah. What would be nice is if we could find a jacaranda tree because I think that's the one I really want.
I don't know how that looks.
But I'll ask. We'll see what they have available.
Alright, I'm sorry that you can't see this and then head there yourself. By the time you're seeing this, then it will be finished. But when we see that there's another distribution, we'll broadcast it hopefully before time. So you too can also find something for your place. Alright?
If you live in Jamaica.
If you live in Jamaica, true. Alright then, we're on the way. In all my years, I never knew that Barbican had a beach. But that's where we're heading now, Barbican Beach, them say.
Don't get too excited, Leila and Zahra.
Oh, I'm getting excited too. I need to see what this beach is like. So this is the Barbican area, Barbican proper. On the right hand side, if you look through the window, you'll see the shoes and other essential outlet stores where you can get your entertainment, party essentials, and a supermarket is also located over there. If you look to my left, my immediate left, you'll see Barbican Drive. So I turn through here, can get you up more into the upper St. Andrew, and tour done. Because I don't know town like that, so I could never be a tour guide up here. But we so rich, Tina know town more than me. So please step on to turn and stop recording. Where must turn?
You will see the sign. You should
Barbican
see it. It's a little bit further down.
It was hiding in plain sight all along?
It's around here, so along here.
On the left hand side?
No, on the right hand side. Or is it down that one?
We're not sure.
Yeah, it's one of the two.
What is it? Dusty, please slow down.
Oh, I think it's the next one.
I think the next one?
Yes. But check here, because I think they gave two locations, didn't they?
Yeah, Barbican Beach and Barbican Shopping Center.
Oh, the shopping center?
Oh, this is it.
This is not what I expected. This is a very long line.
It looks like we get left.
I don't know. I thought it would have been a little bit more, you know,
More boothy.
More boothy.
Yeah, I thought it would have been like, you know, a jackfruit booth here. Or at least a fruit booth, then, you know, other stuff, other places. This looks like a turning back.
No man, still go.
So you think the line makes sense?
Yeah, go on.
Try to find somewhere to park.
Alright.
Of course.
Yes, definitely.
This is for you.
You okay? Leila Marshmallow? You okay?
Yes.
She's okay.
So we're not sure we're actually going to get what is left, but we're joining the line to see what is what right now. Look who it is, neighbors. Look who is passing by and his crew. That's him. Oh, Mayor here too. Oh, Mayor getting plants. It's just some mood on it. Look at our calendar from them.
Right, beautiful.
Celebrating tree. Show them a nice pun.
85 tremendous years. Yeah. So it has a lovely tree on the front. But this tree is the one I want for the yard. I wish I could get this jacaranda.
It's really your tree, Tabia.
It's in my month, March. And look what falls in my month. International Day of Forests.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a lovely calendar. So we have this thing, queen flower. Okay. Mahogany. Ah, poinciana, which is also a lovely tree. Flame of the forest.
How the line looking?
The line not so bad. It moves.
News just in, only Aki left.
In terms of fruit.
In terms of fruit trees, so all that is left is ornamental trees. But we weren't here for Aki because we have a whole heap for that. We're aiming for a yellow. Well, I want a yellow tree. She at this stage wants a jacaranda at least. Two. I would love the yellow tree that just pops. So hopefully still available. Hi.
Pride of Barbados, and we have jacaranda.
Jacaranda.
Yes.
So what color is it?
Jacaranda glows purple flowers.
So no pui? Can we get two jacarandas?
Yeah, man. So you want, and because you have two, you did
Right, okay.
each of you can get 5.
Oh god.
So 2 jacarandas, and what's available? The Pride of Barbados or the former?
Pride of Barbados.
Pride of Barbados.
Okay.
Alright, so what's a good amount?
Yeah, we got a good amount, which I'm happy about.
So what I have?
You have, this is Pride of Barbados.
It's what
you have 2, and I have 3.
Hold on, for the record. You see the leaves kind of yellow at the start though. So I don't want to take note of the starting, you know.
I have 3 in this bag, you have 2.
Okay, so this is 5 in all.
Yes, so we have 5 in all. In this bag, we have 1 jacaranda and 1, this broadleaf one is Spanish elm. So looking forward to planting this jacaranda. I hear it blooms a vibrant purple. And we had another one, we got another one. And another Spanish elm. So that's 2 jacarandas, 2 Spanish elm,
and 5
Pride of Barbados.
We think this is the Pride of Barbados is what is over here. You think you sure?
Yes.
Are you not sure?
Yeah. I wanted to get the poor man's orchid.
I want to get the pui.
And the pui. So we should, let's try and go into the other location and see if they have anything.
Well, I think this is
If not, they said you could go to the forestry department and Constance to try to get.
Oh, in the week. So this is the. That's what's going on there. This is the Pride of Barbados. So it's not that tall, but it's good looking. The second location in Barbican, just trying to see if they have any fruit trees left. We're kind of looking at it, only have the same things that we took. Pride of Barbados and jacaranda. And Aki. But let's see. Oh, so what him says that
Maybe buy some apples here, some outside apples. See if you can get them from
can't wash it.
We have water.
Alright, so him said that they have the same story. Pride of Barbados, jacaranda.
No pui?
No, but he said that our truck is coming
A truck?
with apple tree.
Oh.
So apparently the truck is going to stop here first, and say, and let off some other stuff. That's why people are around waiting.
So do you want to do that? Wait.
So the truck soon come. So
let's satisfy these little hungry gremlins here first, and then just stick around.
For half an hour.
Yes.
Alright. So we wait.
Right.
So we got them these apples. Very dark and juicy. Darker the apple, sweeter the juice. Yep. Look good though.
Oh yes, I would love one of those.
Yeah, let's watch and go. How are you liking the apple? Nice? How's your apple? Good? Alright, eat your belly full. Alright, we're gonna try to get an apple tree from the forestry department. How's your apple?
Man, so good.
So good.
This is like the apple, the apples that we've been getting recently from off the road. I think they've been in the sun too long. They're kind of overripe. But these
just picked this morning.
This coming like say just pick. It just come from the hills of wherever.
Apple Hill.
Apple Valley.
Oh, you have cherry garden and you have apple.
No.
Apple Lane.
Apple Valley in St. Elizabeth.
Oh, is that a real thing?
Real place. Yeah.
Oh.
This take me back
St.
to
Elizabeth
childhood.
is really the
bread basket.
Yeah. Call them the scallion and apple, shrimps.
Listen, I remember.
Melon.
I remember in
melon
primary
too.
school. Yeah. Scallion, everything. I remember in primary school going on a trip to Apple Valley Farms. Also the truck here.
Truck reach. I thought it was a bigger truck, but
I thought it was a bigger truck, but
run. I'll leave my apple for later. Truck is here.
You have apple? So we'll take whatever you have, whatever fruit tree you have, boy.
Alright, so we take the guava and the breadfruit. Yes. Which one this? Guava. The haul is finished. And we got, what's this again?
Guava.
We got guava, which children love this too. Love guava.
I love guava.
And, put this on nicely please. I don't know why the alarm is going off.
It's not ours.
No. And guess what?
Ta-ta-na-na!
Breadfruit tree. Who could it be but Jesus?
Yeah, we are trying not to.
The other one is not there though.
Alright, speak life. Continue to speak life. Yeah,
we'll have another try to ensure that this one is surviving. The guavas are not there. We're going to grow it so that
we're going to have to grow it. We're going to have to grow it. But we need to.
We need pots now.
Either pots or we need to. No, we can't go down there and drop these in the ground yet because of the goats.
Oh, and nobody will be watering.
And nobody will be watering them. So we're gonna need to get some pots.
But guess what? We know the person who kind of in charge of the nursery. We figured it out a while ago. When I at the bus, there was like, I was like, I don't know who you are. But
I already knew.
But Tina knew her.
She was my demonstrator at university.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I've known her from first year, Yui.
Wow.
Yes, wow.
And you worked with her after?
Not directly, no,
okay.
but we work in the same field. We work in the same
so
environmental field, so I would see her from time to time.
Okay.
At meetings and stuff.
So I think we have enough to start here, then we can...
And we're friends on Facebook.
We can always reach out afterwards to continue. But we're going to change the channel name from Me and My House to Me and My Plants. I don't know that's where we're going. Anyway, let's go. So now we've stopped at Best Buds Garden Center to get some plant supplies, to get some pots for the plants so that they can thrive and have a nice little home until we carry them down. This is like plant heaven. As far as I can see.
Yeah. Oh, look at those
nice.
lovely palms. I'm really afraid to take a palm right now. In case something happened with the interior.
Don't worry, you can do it. You can't just stop at the first time, you know.
I know.
When you fail, you must try again.
I know.
Look at this. Wow, I didn't know they had all this around here. Vases. Don't touch anything, please, Zahra. You break it, you broke it. That's why I never finished the sentence. I said, you break it, you broke it. Because I don't plan to buy anything today. Man, around here is nice. Or is it this, babe? This is this one? Babe.
Huh? Yes, that's nice.
This better, this good, and not this one?
That small one?
The chance to buy it, does not have another choice. To transition it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because they...
So one, we can get a dozen of this, and a dozen of this. So it makes sense?
Yeah, because we're going to have a...
Oh, the breadfruit one big. Breadfruit one can stay in this.
Breadfruit one?
Yeah. It kind of remember it's a big bag we get.
It can stay in the bag for a
while.
while.
Okay. Okay, this is the dozen. And give me a dozen of this one, so please, eh? This little one right here, so man. The little 3-inch or whatever you call this one. Yes, I'm coming. You got these ones as well?
Yeah.
These look nice. Look at these orchids. She's the rich man's orchids. Poor man. These are so, it's almost fake. Wow. Alright, respect here. So we're good to go now. This side. So this is the final look for the day. This is breadfruit plant. 190 bucks for them here. We're going to do the planting probably tomorrow. Kind of time. I need to remember what these are. I think that's guava. This is jacaranda and somebody else. This looks like part of Barbados. Really not sure. At this rate, you can't take my word for it. Tina will figure out the names. Just want to know that they grow. What's important is that they grow, and they grow healthy enough. So that when we want to put them into the earth, they're fine. Alright. You will make it on our pots. You know what, on second thought, them say, don't put off for tomorrow. What can do the day after tomorrow? So I'm at church now waiting on Hannah with these little ones. We're all at church actually. Hannah has a meeting, so we're going to make the most of it. So fast forward to the next day, and we haven't potted the plants as yet because we're too tired yesterday. Clean and straight, we're just too tired, way too tired. And the children are running up and down at church, so we really couldn't focus. And the soil bag was, man, it's like it was stitched, like it was surgery. We're trying to unravel the stitching and it was just impossible. So we had to reach home, and it's now the next day. But that's for a different vlog. Time already passed. You have to finish pressing for the week ahead and everything. Make sure you press for the week, you know. You save light bill, you save energy that way. You pay less for your light if you press one time for the week. But anyway, it's been a good weekend. We hope you have a productive week. Focus. Uncle Maxi sang a song at church that really struck me. It's the central point was fix your eyes on Jesus. You know the song that says, turn your eyes on Jesus, look in his wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow so strangely dim. So the problems are there, but fix your eyes on Jesus. You need this, but fix your eyes on Jesus. Don't focus on the difficulty. Focus on the problem solver, right? The drilling that you're hearing is somebody who is preparing their land to build, and it's Sunday, and they've been drilling for hours. I don't even know if this is legal, but we've been good neighbors and we haven't called the police. But I don't think this is legal on a weekend for somebody to be drilling for hours and disturbing the peace on the goodly Sunday. Hope your neighborhood is quiet. I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.